fetal death. What is fetal death? Let us say, first thing you understand the concept of fetal death. Here the conception has taken place, right? And here it is the, let us say, this is the period of gestation. So if the death of the child who has yet not taken birth, if it takes place in utero prior to, what is the condition? Prior to expulsion of products of conception. This is one condition, that prior to the expulsion of products of conception. Second is irrespective of gestation कितनी भी हो, irrespective of gestation means gestation कितनी भी हो of gestation. Or now we have got four things to be seen. What is? There should be no heart rate, heartbeat, no respiration, no voluntary movement of muscle, and no pulsation. These are the four criteria to declare it as fetal death. Now under this fetal death we have got three types. One is the early, second is intermediate, third is late. Right? You note down these things. So early is when the weight of the products of conception is less than 500 grams. And second is the crown heel length is less than 25 centimeters. What is crown heel length? This is crown. 2, 3. This is the length of the newborn. If it is less than 25, we will call it as, let us say it will be up to this. And gestation for this is 22 weeks. So, three things for early, 22 weeks, less than 22 weeks, weight less than 500 grams, and crown heel length less than 25 centimeters. So these are also known as abortion. So the early fetal death, कई बार आपने सुना हो ना, कहते हैं इसके abortion हो गई थी, क्या हो गया. These are the abortion. Then we come to the intermediate fetal deaths. Intermediate fetal deaths, they are from this was 22, this is 22 to 27. Weight is 500 to 99 grams. And crown heel length is less than 35 centimeters. Is it clear? Now we come to the late. What is meant by late? That when the gestational age is more than 28, more than, here it was less than 22, 22 to 27, here it is more than 28 weeks. And the weight is more than 1000 grams or 1 kg more than, and crown heel length more than 35. Is it clear? Any doubt about it? So that we can proceed further. So now we come to the next important category, that is the birth weight. Birth weight. What is birth weight? It is the weight of the newborn which is taken usually immediately after birth or say within 1 hour. जन्म हुआ उसके घंटे के अंदर अंदर आपने बच्चे का वजन किया, तो जो वजन आएगा उसको आप कहोगे दैट इज बर्थ वेट. और इफ समवन हैज नॉट टेकन विदिन द 1 hour, then it can be taken on the same day also, within 1 day also it can be taken. That will be considered as birth weight. But if it is taken after 1 or 2 days, that will not be birth weight, right? So usual birth weight कितना है? 2.5 to 3 kg. Average 2.8, right? So here also we have got 3 categories, right? You should note down. We have got low birth weight babies, very low birth weight babies, low birth weight babies, low birth weight, very low birth weight babies. Is it clear? And extremely low birth weight babies. So these are the, now what are the definitions for this? So if the weight is less than 2500 grams, then we will call it as low birth weight baby. And very low birth weight baby, less than 1500 grams, less than, this is less than 2.5, this is less than 1.5, and extremely low birth weight baby if it is less than 1 kg, right? Is it clear? So thank you.